Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history in Instagram. So it's actually really easy and it should take less than a minute. The first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app. Once we're in the Instagram app, go ahead and select the profile button in the bottom right here. This will bring you to your Instagram profile. Now that we're in our Instagram profile, we need to open up the menu by selecting the three lines in the top right. And then once we're in the menu, go down to the bottom and select settings. So in settings, there are several options in here. What we need to do is select security, and then down at the bottom, you'll see clear search history. Go ahead and select that. So now all we need to do is select clear search history, and then select yes, I'm in. And then boom, your search history has been cleared in Instagram. So that's how you clear your search history on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.